Sandra Birchmore was 23 years old and pregnant on the day she passed away. Beginning when she was a teenager, three now former Stoughton police officers allegedly had SA'd her, and she told friends one of them was the father of the baby. Her passing was initially ruled as self-inflicted following an autopsy by the medical examiner, but through the efforts of her family and the work of a prominent forensic pathologist, new questions have come to light. Dr. Michael Baden, a former chief medical examiner in New York City, disagrees with the medical examiner's findings. In a letter to lawyers for the Birchmore estate, he wrote that her death was not self-inflicted. This has raised many questions about the competency of the state police and the Norfolk County District Attorney's Office in their handling of the original investigation. Dr. Baden pointed in particular to a fractured right hyoid bone, a small U-shaped bone in Birchmore's neck. That kind of injury rarely occurs when self-inflicted, he wrote, citing a seminal forensic pathology textbook on the issue. Then there is the matter of Birchmore's pregnancy. Baden wrote that the state medical examiner apparently did not send fetal tissue for DNA analysis to determine who the father was. Birchmore had told at least three friends that the father was Stoughton Police Detective Matthew Farwell, whom she had known since she enrolled in a Stoughton Police Explorers program at age 13. Matthew Farwell, who is married, denied to investigators that he was the father. Farwell is also believed to be the last person to have seen Birchmore alive on February 1, 2021, a fact verified by surveillance cameras at her Canton apartment. He told investigators he went to the apartment to end the relationship. His wife gave birth to a son the following day. Birchmore was discovered February 4, 2021, after her employer called police and requested a wellness check. Farwell was interviewed by police on February 6, 2021. He acknowledged the visit to Birchmore's apartment and the relationship, but insisted relations ended between them the previous October, well before Birchmore became pregnant. He refused a state police request for a DNA sample. Dr. Baden confirmed that Birchmore was 10 weeks pregnant, and he also noted that it appeared that her clothing and the biological samples collected had never been tested. A spokesperson for the medical examiner's office stated that decisions about such testing are made by district attorneys or the police working for them.